naalala mo yung kinukwento ko sa'yo, yung nag-share ako na, ganito pala yung life story ni Manny Pacquiao when he's at the peak of his career. Yung kinukwento ko sa'yo, tapos sabi ko, alam mo, Tin, shinare ko yun sa, sa mga friends ko. Tapos parang naiyak ako.
Yes, naalala ko.
Ba't ka naiyak? Nakarelate ka?
Oo, sobra.
Yung story kasi nun is when you're at the top of your career, at the peak of your career, you realize, ay, ito pala yun.
Empty.
Yes.
Empty, yeah.
Okay lang dumating yung point na yun sa'yo.
25. I became a Christian at 25.
O, paano ka naging Christian ng 25?
Si LA Mumar, inahound niya ako. We were taping.
Anak ni Tito Connie?
Yeah. So sabi ko one time, kami ni Jing, sabay kami Christian, Jericho.
Pati si Echo?
Sabay kami nun. Yeah. Tapos yun na. And then that's when I felt empty. Sabi ko, ganito pala yung feeling ng
sikat
feeling mo
ka,
na sa'yo lahat.
may pera
pero
ka.
May emptiness. Alam mo, may kulang. Yun yung feel ni God sa akin.